This PX 200, slightly mild to wild, is owned by one of my customers that then became my accountant. When he bought it, it was a stock standard silver PX 200 that he bought brand new. Nothing flash, nothing special. Had a rear carrier on the front, chrome carrier at the back. It looked pretty much like an accountant's vehicle. One day my accountant came to me and goes, "Sandy, I want to tune this machine up, but under one stipulation, you don't make it too leery." So we stripped the scooter back, took it back to bare metal, and with a combination of matte black on the inside of the leg shields and the original silver on the outside, we gave the scooter a custom look that wasn't too over the top, but we went to town on the engine. We stripped the engine apart, lossy cylinder, blueprinted cases, larger carb, JL exhaust, short fourth gear, reinforced clutch, and this thing screamed. As soon as we finished the restoration, he was able to ride the scooter from Sydney to Port Macquarie and back in a couple of days with no hiccups and no dramas. The scooter's still on the road today, still screaming about making sure my tax returns are on time every time.